This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. You will enjoy home ownership in this well-constructed beautiful Cape Cod-style home. This home offers a relaxed floor plan showcasing an open living concept. Each living area has been well designed and well appointed for maximum use of space right down to the first floor master suite west/bath and walk-in closets. The second level boasts of 2 large bedrooms, main bathroom, and a nicely sized finished bonus room designed to be used as a 4th bedroom, man/she cave, hobby/craft room, or endless options. The location allows you to be outside of a homeowners association and give you a little space to enjoy all of your outdoor activities. The location also puts you only minutes away from I-64, New Towne, the College of William and Mary, Colonial Williamsburg, and many other major conveniences. Contact an agent quickly because the market is moving fast. Some photos virtually staged. For more information,